Everyone has heard about dowsing rods finding water. They are worth so much more than that. In this situation, I can show you that yes, they do know how to find water. They're pointing at it both directions. But what I want it to do is be specific. So, show me my pool. Thank you.
Hang on, let's show them the pool.
Now the other water, show me my hot tub. And there's the hot tub. Show me Kim. Show me when I'm angry. Show me when I'm happy and in love. We are energy.